Hey there folks, welcome over to fxace.com. First of all, welcome to the video. Sorry, voice is a little bad a little bit. So today's video, we are near the end of the first week in April. So the US dollar's been rallying pretty high the past week. So you can see the USD Swiss franc. I've just entered a couple of trades on it. Entered my first small position size here, then I've entered the full position up here. So I have targets down here, and my stop loss is just above these daily zones here. But you can see we've come into this daily and weekly zone here, you can see, and very deep into it. If you look at the 4-hour chart, so this is a daily and a weekly signal. So we're in the weekly, actually in a monthly area there too. Look at the weekly in a weekly area within a monthly. See it here. And we go down to the daily 4-hour charts. Check for some divergent signals into the areas, and we've got 1, 2, 3, 4. So good trade to take it down. I'm targeting this area down here just basically because this is the real last pop, caused the last high. So the target is down here around 98,500, 120 pips, and hopefully I can reach in the next few days. That's the targets. And yeah, so 2 small position sizes in this on my own personal account. On my money, right? Euro USD, I've just entered a buy trade in it. Right, it's just basically coming out of this area on the daily. So this is the daily zone here. It's come down, hit it pretty hard. So I'm liking a bit of a retracement up to this area here on the, so I've got like a 80 pip to a 120 pip profit target. That's my target there over the next couple of days on the Euro USD. Just basically in this daily zone. If you look at the 1-hour charts, a lot of divergent signals there. Slightly missed the boat in it today by not many 20 pips, so 20 pips isn't much, so we got in this trade nicely here, so it approached down to this daily zone here. Pops down into it, we get the 3 divergent signals there, and price starts to rally up. But missed it by 20 pips, missed a good entry by 20 pips, but not too bad. I get in here. And I'm liking this to rally up there. So 10 to 12, that's coming over the next couple of days. British pound USD, it's been dropping hard. I'm actually liking this at the minute. See we have daily zone here. I'm looking at that there. I had to change accounts there. I've got 2 normal accounts and a personal small account. So I'm going to buy this British pound USD here with these, and I'm going to put my target just under this zone here. It's a bit of a big target there. Maybe get a rally up towards here, 139. But you can see this was the last big push. This was the area last year that happened. It held for a while, 136 after the initial, where are we? Okay, here last year. I think it was around September time. We had this huge push up to 136, which was pre-Brexit area. And this was the place, this really area here caused the rocket back up to 143. This daily area here caused this rocket of a move all the way up to here. So I'm liking a good bit of reaction here. Took a small trade yesterday on it. If you were in the Facebook group, you would have seen we got 60-70 pips in it. Came back down, but today I'm back in the trade again, and I'm liking this for a move up. So I am. So that's a couple of trades I've just taken in a minute, just based on my system and strategy. If you want to learn more how to trade the way I trade, you can access my best-selling Udemy course over at Udemy. Just click the link below in the description area. Or if you are interested in personal one-on-one mentorship with me, there's a link below in the description area. just register for a free consultation call with me, and we'll see how I can best help you with one-on-one mentorship and basically help you become the best trader you can become. So thanks for watching, guys. Hope this video helps, and I'll speak to you soon. We're over to fxace.com.